I'm going to go over selecting courses in UOIT's Master of Education online program. There are at least 7 key areas that you should consider: the course planning guide and filling it in, establishing a realistic assessment of your available time to take courses, checking out course descriptions, making sure that you select required and core courses early on, deciding whether you want to be part-time or full-time, considering the term in which you're taking courses, and adding and dropping courses. The course planning guides are available at this link, and there are 4 key areas: Graduate Diploma, MEd course only, MEd project, or MA thesis. You need to decide which one you're in or what you've been accepted for. Download that course outline and make sure that you have it available each term so you know what courses you've taken and what courses you need to take. It's very important to do a realistic time assessment of hours you have available to take courses. Each course takes about 9 hours per week, 3 hours in class and 3 to 6 hours outside of class. You have to schedule that time. It won't just become magically available. So you have to decide, well, are you a part-time or a full-time student, and what time do you have available? If you're working for full-time, you have to figure out where you're going to actually take those courses, and then consider your family responsibilities and other responsibilities. It's really important to sit down and plan, and actually, if you want to be successful in an online course, schedule that time like you would schedule a meeting. Then you can make an assessment of whether you can take 1, 2, or more courses in a term. Obviously, you need to look at the course descriptions, pick out your favorites. You can go find them here at this link, and if you need sample outlines, they can be made available as well. Please try to select the required and core courses early on. You don't want to be left out of courses. These courses are very popular because they are required: research methods and principles of learning, and you also need to pick a core course, and you can see the course lists at this link here. Now, are you a part-time or full-time student? Well, this is defined by the number of courses you take, although you can register full-time and take less courses. I'm not sure why you would do that, but let's go to part-time. You have to take a minimum of 1 course per term and a maximum of 2 courses. So you can't take more than 2 courses. If you take more than 2 courses, you instantly become a full-time student, and that results in higher ancillary fees. So you actually pay a little bit more, or probably a lot more, to be a full-time student. So you need to consider that. Now, what term are you taking courses? Well, the fall term is 12 weeks long, and the winter term is 12 weeks long. All right. Now, the spring and summer term are combined. It actually is only 14 weeks long and is considered one term. So you need to take, if you're a part-time student, 1 course in the fall, 1 course in the winter, and 1 course in either the spring or the summer. However, we offer an opportunity to take summer courses. We split the term. So the spring term is 7+ weeks. Could be more, but it is a minimum of 7 weeks, and the summer term is a maximum of 7 weeks. That's all the summer term is. Now, what does that mean? Well, it doesn't mean like an easier course because we're just making a 7-week course. It means that we're compressing a 12-week course into a 7-week course, and this is a challenge. So you need to really consider carefully when you're packing courses in the spring and the summer, because it's convenient for you to take, perhaps because you're a teacher, that this will take a lot of time. Remember, 9 hours per week, but that's going to actually increase per week, probably to something like 12 to 15 hours per week per course, because you're compressing the time, okay? So I can't warn you enough to be careful about taking spring and summer courses. Finally, just a quick suggestion. We get this question all the time. When you want to add a course, you go to My Campus and add a course. But sometimes you add a course and you think, no, I don't want to take that course. And then you want to change it. Well, you can't delete the course first. You're required to add a second course, and then drop the old course. That's just how the system works. Just wanted to throw that tip out to you. If you have any other problems or concerns, you can obviously contact us and we'll help you. Lots of people have individual needs and concerns, and we're happy to address them.